Counting double-digit thousands back.
Hello guys, here. Let me just take this off real quick. Okay, so hey guys, I'm here to talk about a website called csgospirit.com. I just got scammed on there, but over $100 on it. I won 2 of the jackpots and never got my skins. Still here. Time to actually turn this thing on. Go to this website, click login. See, I'm literally like stuck here forever. I won 2 jackpots. I get stuck right here forever. I won 2 jackpots. I literally had a life, but not anymore because the site just gave me off it. But I wish there was like a way. Like I can't show you my life anymore because see, I also had stuff in here. The only thing I have now is I literally had knives that got scanned off me. I'm just not in the mood for anything anymore. It's just insane. You guys can see a lot of people like going in it. They're like they can't withdraw their skins. Anyway, I even got proof that if I can show my camera real quick. I'm not sure if I can. Video capture device. I'm using OBS by the way. But it serves that already exists. Oh, okay. Just give me a second. Let me take off this. Oh crap. I kinda look bad right now, but yeah. Whatever. Honestly, I don't really care. Okay. So I spent $180 on these Steam cards. Here's a 50. A 50. 30. Vouch knife, rubber mask, field test is like only $59. That's insane. It was even by moderator too here. Give me a second, let me turn this off. Let's just go monitor capture. A person that goes by the name of Kate. I think she literally disadded me here. Right here. Let's just go back. Alright, this person, Kate. Can't talk to you later, guys. I might be going to play a game.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.